Okay guys, so today we're going to be going deeper into our equations in the inequalities unit. So yesterday we talked about how to write our equations, and today we're going to talk about how to solve them, which we even touched on a little bit yesterday as well. So the first thing that I want to kind of review with you guys, because we did do this when we were talking about expressions, but I also want to make sure that we're feeling confident with it in terms of equations as well. And this is checking solutions, or being able to identify when we have a solution for an equation. So our first question asks us, when p plus 10, when this equals 38, is p equaled 18, is that a solution? So what we want to do is plug in 18 for p right here and see, is this a solution? If we plugged in 18 into this equation, would we still get our solution of 38? So let's try this. So we're going to plug in or substitute in 18 for p. Does this equal 38? That's what we want to know. Does this equal 38? So 18 plus 10 equals 28, and that does not equal 38. So our answer here is no, this is not a solution. All right, let's try B. 4y equals 56. And hopefully you guys remember from yesterday and even from our earlier units, whenever we have a number right next to a variable, this means to multiply. So what B is saying is 4 times y equals 56. Now we want to see if 14, if this is a solution. So I'm going to plug in 14 for y here, and you can either do this with parentheses or you can do this with the multiplication sign, either one. So does this equal 56? Does this equal 56? So if we were to do 14 times 4, I want to stack these up. We know that 4 times 4 is 16. Carry that 1. 4 times 1 is 4, plus 1 is 5. And since 15 does equal 56, we know that yes, this is a solution. So basically, whenever you are checking solutions, or whenever you see an equation and then you see then the question gives you what the variable equals, what they are asking you to do is to plug in that number for the variable and see if that number is a solution for your equation or expression. So 1, 2, and 3 are doing the exact same thing. So they'll give you what your missing variable is. You're going to plug in that number, solve the equation, and see if you get the same answer. If you do, then it is a solution, and if you don't, then it is not.